So right now I'm busy in my mind preparing for our online workshop we've got coming up next month in April, The Path to Inner Peace. How do I want to present this? What do I want to say? What do we want to learn and share together? And mostly it's about sharing techniques, what works for us, what works for me, for Paul, for Nancy, who will be leading the day. What do we do to help us find our peace? Because there just seems to be no peace in the world. It's so busy, so active, so demanding, so much anxiety that we witness that it's so easy to pick up on that and get stuck in that. What can we do to get recentered into peace? So I've been thinking about this, making notes, remembering what tools I've got and remembering to use them, because that's the key. I have the tools, but do I always use them? No. Sometimes we get taken over by the anxiety and the turmoil of a busy life. So what does peace mean to you? Is this something that you feel you're striving for? And I'm not talking about sitting cross-legged under a tree and meditating and not doing anything with our lives. We all have lives to live, but how do I live my life from this point of peace? Because the more peaceful and centered I am, the more our lives will flow, the more we will be a blessing, the more we will be the peace we want to seek. So peace is my focus right now, a good, healthy focus for me, and I'm sure Paul, my husband, would agree with me as well, and those around me. And if peace is something that you are tuning into, or something that you're seeking for yourself, because we're seeking it in the world, then do join our online workshop in April. It's a time of sharing and learning and growing together. And we do it together. It's not about one person having all the answers. It's about all of us sharing what works for us. I look forward to the Saturday workshop and being with you in that way. And I look forward to being with you online in all the ways that we do, sharing our unity, wisdom and understanding and practices that help us all lead a peaceful life. Thank you for being part of that journey with us. Bless you.